Guys, welcome back to the shed. So today we are working on my E46 320D or 320D, not sure. I guess it's 320D, right? So what happens is when I try to start the car, sometimes the cluster doesn't light up like now and the car doesn't start. Okay, so I need to try this several times until it actually starts. Okay, so this usually takes like 4 or 5 times. Never takes this long to actually start. So yeah, I'm not sure if it will start at all. Okay, now we're talking. So yeah, it's getting worse every time. So let's get this, because I'm on the street. Let's get this into the garage and let's try to sort this out. Okay guys, so from what I've read online, I need to replace the ignition switch. Just bought it from Motodoc. Not really sure how much it was, but it was not expensive because I bought it from their brand. Okay. I'm really happy with their brand for most of the stuff. I didn't bought suspension yet, but for this kind of parts, I'm okay with it, at least until now. Of course, I don't expect this to survive 20 years, right? Like an OEM part, but to be honest, I don't expect to have the car this long as well. So from what I've read on the forums, I just need to remove the steering column trim and access the end of the ignition through there. So let's try to do it and replace this. Okay, so this is the steering column, right? I think I'm looking at it from behind, from the bottom, and I think I need to remove this little grommet and so yeah, I think that's it. To be honest, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think they are. So I think this is just I just need to push it through that insert inside. So let's try. So I got a 3mm Allen key. Let's see if it fits the bill. Okay, so this is okay. Now I was thinking that I had to pull it right through, but it doesn't go. It stopped somewhere, so I just pull it a little bit and then used it to push it down. See if I can do the same for this one. This is loose already. Yeah. See if I can just pry it out. Okay, so till now, really simple. Okay, here it is. Here we have it. Now, yeah, so we have in here, I'm not sure if you can see, it's a little bit corroded, I guess, but more than corroded. There's, I guess, two small screws, flat head. They are really small. Let me see what I have. So yeah, let me try with this one. Not sure if you're able to see. Yeah. Doesn't want to move. Oh boy. So yeah, probably I should use something a little bit bigger than this. Probably. Oh, okay. So let's got it right, but let's see if so I was able to back this one up, but probably I should remove this first, right? Okay, so you should pull it. You should pull the steering wheel out first. Okay, now it's easier to just remove it. Okay. Now let's see if I can. No, it doesn't help. So it's not the best position.
really see, but okay, like this. See if I can remove it just like this. Yeah, it comes down easy. So see, it's in the same position. So it's not in the same position. So yeah, I'm not sure. Can I just turn it? Okay, yeah. So yeah, I was able to turn it, and I think, yeah, now it's in the same position. Okay, I just used the key of the car, so it should go in nicely now. At least I hope so. Okay, so what is the issue? Maybe I still need to back this a little bit more, not sure. Or this one? Don't think so. Not sure why it's not getting in easily. Okay, so it needs to be pressed a little bit. Okay, so it's pressed. Now let's tighten this. Okay, this one as well. Okay, let's connect it. Okay. And now let's test it for the moment of truth, right? Doesn't even want to turn. Why? Why? Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what is left is to put the trim back on. Okay, let me remove the key. Okay, now this, how should I insert this? Okay. Okay. Now let's put the trim back. And I think it's like this. Maybe I should insert this. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should insert it or not, so I don't think so. Let's try to. Okay, so I think okay, so that's it. Now let me try to insert this. Okay, this one as well. Okay. And that's it. Job done. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.